What's going on, fam? Welcome to today's video. I know it's dark. I have my flashlight like flashing me. We are going out to a car meet today, so stay tuned and let's go. Let's see what we could catch going on and get this video going. What's up, fam? So we're out here. We've been out in the meet for a cool minute. I just been talking to a couple people. A lot of people have their builds open, you know, it's pretty cool. I got my little Miata somewhere out here. In the background you can hear people revving and shit, but let's go ahead and just look around. Right here, this is fucking clean. I like this right here. Hey, I got my Miata right here, another one. Then you got your little freaking stance builds out here, like where they're all backed out, slammed to the ground. Those are cool, but I don't know, man. It's cool. I like them. See a bunch of stock cars out here. There's a lot of stock cars. That's the thing. It's like you come to a meet and you expect to see a bunch of shit. This Acura right here is pretty cool. Check this one out. That's a good build right there. That's what I'm talking about. No, nice S13. You got your 350Z. This one actually looks pretty clean. What's your Instagram? Bird47. Yeah, I'm Roach. What's up, bro? How you doing? Chilling. Hell yeah. I was like, I remember that Miata. Hell no, it changed a lot, bro. Hell yeah, I like it. What have you done to it so far? I know you did the wheels. Wheels. Hardtop. Man, you don't need the hardtop. Let me have it, bro. So we're out of here, man. This freaking car meet's gonna get burnt due to people freaking revving and shit. That's why I don't like coming out here. But you know, it was a good time. I came out here. It was pretty cool. I met some people. But we're out of here. My Miata is not gonna get towed today. Yep. Let's get the hell out of here before it gets worse. What's going on, fam? We are back. Freaking, I know that little short vid was when I was at the car meet. I went to a car meet, a local car meet. But yeah, freaking, I got some good news. I ended up on my last video I was talking about I'm gonna order some car parts, and I ordered some car parts. So good thing is they're coming sooner than what I thought. You know, I know one of them is gonna be the motor mounts, but the motor mounts I'm gonna be getting those probably like Black Friday, because they're gonna be on a deal, and you know, I'm not in a rush for them. Either way, you know, I've been daily driving the Miata, and yeah, it does freaking bug me, but it's not that bad. Freaking the engine shake on it is like pretty bad, but you know, it's still drivable. You know, so I'm still daily driving it, making sure everything's all nice and sturdy, freaking nothing's messed up on it. So yeah, we're gonna get those motor mounts pretty soon and see what comes in today. And yeah, so just got some news, guys. Freaking, I noticed like my channel's been blowing up a little bit more than usual. You know, like I upload like crazy before, and it's like 1 subscriber. Besides that, I only posted like once a week. I've been doing that for like a day or two, like about a month already, maybe like posting once a week, and you know, my subscribers go up more than what I thought, you know, so that's actually a good thing. Also, oh my god, check this guy, man, check this out. Let me go get it. I have it inside. I ordered this freaking dope attachment. Let me go get it. Alright, so I went and got the parts. Check this out. I know you guys are like, what? Your old GoPro. But it's okay. Oh, let me flip this around. My address is on there. Man, half of you guys already know where I live at anyway. So, the good thing is I have an extra GoPro. This is the 7. And I have the 9 already. That's what I'm recording on. The 7 is cool, man, but you need to upgrade the mic on it. It's not, the mic on it is not that great. So check this out. there's a guy on Instagram. His name is Built by Hutch. Let me show you guys real quick. What this is and what he makes is freaking so cool. Especially if you don't have the Miata window like visors. Man, the sun visors, whatever they're called. This is a dope purchase. Let me see if I can find his Instagram and I'll show you guys real quick. Built. Alright. So this is his Instagram. I'll put it on the description below. Freaking, it's come on. Damn, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's Built by Hutch. He has like a pretty dope Miata, man. If you have a Miata, I'm pretty sure you've seen him before. But so this is what I bought. Since I have my GoPro, you know, I have this extra one already, which, you know, I don't use, but I plan to have it charged and ready. So this goes right here. No, it's fucking locked. Damn it, be right back. Alright, so I got my keys now. Now let's open the car. I got like a trillion keys up in here. Alright, so let's get this installed so I can show you guys what this does. Alright, so I don't have my window visors, or sun visors, that's what they're called, my bad. So I don't have my sun visors at all. I got rid of them a long time ago. Reason why is they were just flapping open. They weren't like, there was no purpose for them. And I'm freaking, I'm like 6 feet, so like, the sun doesn't really bug me, you know. My head literally touches the top, almost. I'm like probably about an inch off. I'm like a tall ass guy in a Miata. There's probably been taller dudes in the Miata, but you know, I don't have no purpose for the sun visors. So this, my friend, will go like this or like this. I'm believing it goes like this. Yeah, because that's how it shows when it's kind of straight. Because if I put it like this, the mount looks kind of crooked. If I put it like this, they're going straight down. So let me put these in real quick. Alright, so we went ahead and installed it. Pretty simple. See what I mean? Now I got this GoPro mount that goes right here on the visor. This thing is awesome. You don't have to have it going that way, you know. You could just turn it around, freaking, you know, facing me, which was probably a better idea, or up to you guys, however you guys are going to use the camera. You could also buy an attachment where there's angles where you could have it move this way and then face your whole interior, move back a little bit to face your whole interior, or however you want to face this. Because right now I only have you know, this freaking angle, but you could buy some more attachments where it'll add like a 90 degree angle or a 45, you know, and you could just add it customize it however you want. I have some more angles so you guys could, you know, get an idea out of, but I'm not gonna show you guys. It's pretty simple. But yeah, this is like freaking dope. He sells this for I think only $8, and it comes out to like $11 with shipping, and he ships pretty fast because I live in California, and he sold me this little piece for I think 11:50, and it got here to my house like within 3 to 4 days, so that's not that bad. He did send it in first class shipping, so you know, thank you, Hutch, you know, or whatever your name is. I don't know if that's your actual name, but thank you for the freaking attachment, man. I appreciate it. It's really durable too. Before I tested it, I didn't care if I was gonna break it or not, but I squeezed the shit out of them. I bent them and nothing, it didn't break. You know, whatever printer he uses to make these, they're amazing. And I would go ahead and buy one off of him. I'll even provide the link on the description below of his website, and he sells other stuff too, but that's like one of the main ones. He sells custom vents for the Miata, so you don't have these stock ones. He has like pretty cool ones. So I would check his website out. It's pretty dope. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Freaking I had to show you guys because that's freaking amazing what he came up with. Yeah, freaking I would buy one. I freaking, you know, I would buy two if I had another freaking GoPro, you know, put two of them. But I'm planning to leave that there, you know, just for regular purposes. Not no, you know, not no street racing, just regular stuff, just in case I get in an accident, you know, I got my back. So, you know, we out here. Check the oil and stuff. Oh shoot, look what came. Oh, I don't think it's from me. He's parked across the street. Anyway, hopefully we could get these carports in soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Freaking, you know, I appreciate the new subscribers, the new freaking comments, all the people. I know in the last video I said I'm gonna go freaking buy some body parts, but I meant to say car parts, you know what I'm saying? That was a big old mistake. Is that for me? Hell yeah. You could just leave it right there.
There you go.
Thank you. Just $1?
Just one.
Thank you. Oh snap. You guys could already tell what it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. I told you guys I was gonna buy some more carports, but you guys don't listen to me. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we got.